Welcome to Tiny's Kitchen with Mommy. Now we're going to cook food for Daddy. Hi, Daddy. What's your order?
Wow, ganda naman ng menu. Ang liit. Menu. Sige, order ako ng fried rice, tapos hotdog, hash brown, at saka gusto ko ng chicken nuggets.
Okay.
Ano yan? Hotdog?
Put some oil,
Yeah.
Oh, cute naman yan.
a little bit of oil, okay?
Is it already enough, Mommy?
Get this one. Put it there. Dahan-dahan, tumatalsik.
Sorry.
Galing ah. Kumukulo na yung sa ilalim ah. Narinig ko na.
Yan.
Kumukulo na oh. Wow!
Ihalo-halo mo na. Sige. Wow!
Gusto ko ganyan eh.
Ihalo-halo mo para maluto siya. After mo mag-cook, dito mo ilagay ha. Sa leaves na plate. Sige. Ikot-ikot mo pa. Hindi pa luto yan. Sige pa. Wala pa yan, nak. Okay. Sige pa, anak. Go, go, go. Very good, very good. Yun, galing. Wow! Wait, nakatagilid na yata, anak. Yan, baba mo lang siya. Go. Wow!
Is it already okay na?
No, it's not pa. Wait mo nang mag-red pa. Yan, dapat ganyan yung cooking. Medyo brown na. Brownish loob niya. Sige pa. Ayan, tapos
Ayan.
na ang hotdog. Wow! Nahirapan ka? Dito mo. Ayan, ganyan. Tapos na ang hotdog, isusunod naman natin ang nuggets. Oh, you cut it na. Slowly. Okay. Okay. Dalawa na yun? Yung isa pa na. Yung isa pa, ayun pa yung isa, oh.
Oops. Oh, I already forgot.
Cut. Wait. Your finger. Look at your finger. No. Yan. Here.
Okay. Okay.
Your finger. Okay. Okay na. Put it here, baby girl. Put it here. Okay. Oh, you cook na. Here. Here. Okay. Mommy's gonna handle this. Oh.
Okay, thank you. Are you helping me, Mommy?
Yes, of course.
Thank you, Mommy. I love you.
I love you.
I kiss you because I love you
Yeah.
in the world very much. Do you know that?
Of course, I know. Wow. chicken nuggets. Kinat namin into pieces kasi hindi siya magkakasya dun sa lutuan. Kaya kinat namin siya. Okay, stir more, stir.
Stir. So slippery.
Yes, because of the oil.
This just looks like a alcohol.
Looks like what?
Alcohol.
Alcohol? What kind of alcohol ba yung sinasabi mo?
Yung pang spray ng kamay.
Ah, okay.
It looks like
Looks like alcohol ba?
mukhang slippery ganun din alcohol. So slimy.
Yes. Kasi oil siya eh.
Oh, I love this oil.
I think it's okay na.
Oh. Wait, mommy, don't get it. Okay. Like this.
Very good. This. Oh, see?
Guys, dahil sobrang nakakatakam ng ginagawa nila, naisip ko magdagdag pa ng egg para kumpleto yung pagkain. May kanin, may itlog, may ulam, di ba?
Oh, ito na.
Wait, but then
Sarap yan ah, chicken nuggets yan ah.
I'm going to eat you after.
Gonna eat with daddy. Daddy, I think okay na yata to. Or not yet.
Okay na, yeah.
Okay, so lalagay na namin dito. Ayan. Ang cute naman ng plate na to.
And next naman daw yung
This is good for hands.
Ano mo yung kamay mo? Yung taliri mo. Oh, hawakan mo tong knife. Cut. Okay, stop. Put it here. Oh, wag hawak na sa ano. Sige pa. Okay. Hindi nahagis. Put it here. Okay. The other one.
Hagis
Okay.
ko. Hagis ko.
Yes. So, since sayang siya, babalik natin dito para ma-luto. Okay. Oh, here.
It's so ouchy. Still
Hindi. Ito na, oh. Hawakan ko, oh.
ouchy.
Hmm.
Oops. Okay na?
Hindi pa. Kailangan brown yan na.
Hmm.
Oh, wait mo lang. Ganyan mo lang. Steady mo lang siya dyan. Para ma-cooking. Antayin mo lang siya. Hindi mo kailangan i-stir. Wait mo lang siya maging golden brown.
See,
Look mo, oh.
over there.
Oh.
Let's see
Iso ko, ayan, oh.
Sit here, mommy.
Yes, later.
Just only going to sit
Oh,
there.
ayan na.
Here na.
Ayan na.
Now, can I try to put it here na?
Wait. Baliktad.
Mommy, just go do it your best.
Ayan. Yeah, I'm doing my best, ha?
Okay. Keep trying it.
Wow! Ayan, oh. Look mo.
Wow!
Wow.
That's my
Asa yung nalaglag? Poop. Delicious.
Did you try it?
Yes. Sarap eh.
I can't wait to eat with you. Wait, mommy, are you hungry? Let's eat.
Oo, pagtapos na ito na. Oh, come here. Oh, look mo yung color niya, brown na. Konti pa. Pag nagkonti pa na brown niya, okay na yan.
Ouch.
Pag hash brown lulutuin mo, leave it there. Okay?
Scared me.
Put it.
It's yummy. Can I try it?
Susunod naman ay egg. Okay? Sige. Crack it. Okay, very good. Put it there. Then stir.
Wow,
Steer, steer.
Steer, 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 steer. So slimy now. Can you hold it?
No, it's okay. Okay, put it here. Put it here na.
Can you hold this?
No, just leave it here. Then put it there.
Wee! I said wee!
Okay.
No. This one? It's time for this one. Oh, that's
Wait,
me.
wait. Not yet, not yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet.
Can I try?
No, hindi pa luto yan, nak.
I didn't know. This one.
Yeah.
Very good.
Oh, may natira pa. Lagay ko to kasi may natira. Ang cute. Naging scrambled egg.
Hmm.
Huwag mo ito ha, hindi pa luto yan, baby girl. Wow. Look. Tylee's cooked egg. Wow. Ako lang yung nagbaliktad. O, di ba? Nakakakook siya ng egg. Yes.
Ano yan?
No.
Margarine.
Steer, steer, steer,
Steer,
steer, steer, steer.
steer, steer.
Yan. Then, pag na-melt na, i-next mo yung rice. Steer, steer.
Bakit
Yes,
ganyan?
yes, exactly. Ganyan siya. Okay? Now, you put the rice. Up. Oh. Hindi. Hawakan mo lang isang. Oh, okay. Yes, okay. Okay, wait. Wait lang, baby girl. Yan, sige pa. Bilis na maluto yung baby. Okay?
I want to eat with mommy.
Okay.
I want to eat with daddy.
Steer, okay.
Steer. Mabilis na maluto.
Oo, mabilis lang maluto yan eh.
Steer, steer.
Tapos yan yung ilalagay mo dun sa top.
Kaya ko nga ni Mama Shirley.
Wow.
Wow, ang daming pagkain. At ngayon, titikman na natin. Una yung hash brown.
Very good.
Tapos, kinagal.
Tinanong ko si Daddy. Ano lasa?
Masarap.
Masarap.
Masarap. Yung hotdog.
Patry mo sa kanya nga. Patry mo sa kanya para malaman niya yung cook niya. Oh, you eat.
Tikman natin yung egg.
Yan.
Subukan naman natin yung egg.
Oh, ayan yung egg.
Scrambled egg.
Crumble na.
Lasang egg nga.
Oh, patry mo sa kanya yung egg.
Lasang egg nga. Tapos, subukan natin yung kanin ang huli. Siyempre, kailangan ng kanin.
What's the taste?
Pagkatapos ng mga ulam,
Egg
kanin
yan,
naman.
Hindi,
Kanin yan.
lang kami nag-hotdog and egg.
Ah, pag nag-mix yung hotdog at saka egg, hindi niya tayo pag-mix. Sige.
Go.
Sabi pa ni Chef Oli, Napakasarap. Approve.
Hotdog and egg pinagsama.